So to start, open the Clips app. Tap the New Project button, then Create New. To start recording, hold the Record button. The duration of the clip is based on how long you were pressing the Record button. To delete a clip, select it and then tap the trash bin. You might want to use an emoji, although it's only available on iPhone X and iPad Pro models from 2018 and above. Hi there, my name is Tina and I'm from the Philippines. I worked in Turkey, Vietnam. I'm here in India at the moment and then I'm gonna move to China. You may reorder your clips by dragging it to the position that you'd like. Tap the arrow on the right side to share or save your video. You may choose to share your video on your social media, or you can email it or just save it on your device.